Hey guys, okay, so we are going to be looking at this note sheet right here. If you have it out, please print it. Otherwise, just grab a blank sheet of paper. This will be notes part 1. I'm going to do the first question with you guys and let you finish the other practice. So, for the first question, we're looking at point P and Q, and they both have a sine of 2. So, we're going to go ahead and let's look at this right here really quickly. Sine of theta equals 0.82. And we're going to go ahead and take the inverse to find that reference angle. So when we take the inverse, we are finding, of course, the reference angle. So sine inverse of 0.82. And that should give you out 55 degrees as your reference angle. So I know we've got 55 and 55 up. Now, we want to find the two rotation angles that are between 0 and 360. So I'm going to over here. Of course, in the first quadrant, the rotation angle is the same as the reference angle. So one of these will be 55 degrees. And in the second quadrant, we'll need to do 180 minus 55 degrees. 180 minus 55, which will give us 125 degrees. So these are the two angles between 0 and 360 that the sine of them is going to be 0.82. Now, let's say we wanted to go between and 720. So that means we went right here, and then we kept going all the way around the circle back here. So basically, we're taking this number, 55, and adding 360 to it. And then we're taking this number, 125, and adding 360 to it. So 55 plus 360 will give us 415. And 125 plus 360 will give us 485. And those will be our two angles that'll fall between 360 and 720. Now, if we want to go the opposite direction, we want to go backwards. We're essentially subtracting 360, right? So then we are taking 55 minus 360 and 125 minus 360. And we're ending up with 55 minus 360, negative 305. And 125 minus 360 is negative 235. So those are your 6 answers that you should be getting between all of these. I'm going to let you guys do the other 2 questions on this worksheet. Keep in mind, though, for the second part, when you take the inverse of this, we're going to make it positive. So right now I know we have sine of theta equals negative 64. When we take this inverse, we're going to take a positive angle to find our beta. So you should be doing the sine inverse of positive 0.64 is our beta, and that'll start it. Find these angles right here, knowing sine is negative in those quadrants. That's why we have that. So finish off these 2 problems on the answer key when you're done.